I'm Nina. It's the 6th of December 2019. And today, I'm here outside the ISH, where shortly, the elementary school is going to try and set a new Singapore record. As you can see behind me, the school is starting to arrive. But before we check out all the fun, I had a chance earlier today to speak with Mr. Mack, the head of PE. There are a lot of excited kids here at school today. Can you tell us a bit more about this event?
Sure, Nina. This is the SJI attempt to break the Singapore Book of Records largest ever Ceilidh dance, which we did 5 years ago, but today we've got over 500 people taking part.
I think we'll break the Singapore record today because we've done it in the past, so I think we've got more people and it's going to be doable. Part of a Singapore record?
I feel nervous, definitely, but also excited.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I was here 5 years ago and I saw this incredible Ceilidh dance record being set. And today, we have a bigger number, and I can also see that the dance was also done so beautifully with 509 participants. Yes, it's a new record, largest mass Ceilidh dance.